Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about the Windows 11 adoption rate with a different number. We have been looking at the market share of Windows 11, how it is stalling on some of the numbers. On others, they are probably underestimated. But here, this number is from a different type of user of Windows PC, and it's gamers. Steam has released numbers of the market share that Windows 11 has, according to their own survey, for April 2022. And what they say is that the Windows 11 adoption rate among Steam users is steadily increasing. It increased 2% month over month to 19%. So it does seem like gamers are a little more willing to go into Windows 11. Also, in the survey, they do have the kind of the satisfaction of what version of Windows most are satisfied with, of course, in gaming. And of course, Windows 10 has high ranks in there. But among Windows 11 Steam users, a big majority say that it's either equal or better than Windows 10 in terms of experience for the gaming. So one of the things that is to probably note here is that gamers tend to have much more recent hardware. It's part of why you want to game on a PC sometimes. You want to have something that, performs really well. So the gaming experience, of course, will go with powerful PCs and probably I would say more people that are gamers probably have a compatible PC that has the minimum requirements than the average population, due to the nature of you want to have, a powerful gaming PC. So you'll tend to have recent hardware. Also, as they note, gamers are probably a little more prone to go to upgrade to Windows 11, are the type of people that will actually want to go and check out Windows 11 more than the average population. So that's where we see that steady growth among the Steam users. And if you remove Windows, which is 96.3% of Steam users, the two other platforms, Mac, Apple is 2.5% of Steam, and Linux, 1.1% of Steam. So these are very small. You could see that Windows is dominant when it comes to gaming, and I think it has to do a lot with the fact that the choice of hardware, the flexibility. Windows has been kind of tagged as a gaming operating system also for gamers, for PC gamers. So it kind of sticks with what it is, and people tend to stay there. So very interesting numbers here. So there is an increase among the gamers, at least, on the Windows 11 adoption rate. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.